everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a review of everything that I created for the Mini Kit Monday. I made 4 pages and I made a whole bunch of Valentine cards. Alright, so this was the first page that I did. I used this huge title, I think it was from Dear Lizzie, and I painted it with one of the I hate to say this, I can't even remember. It's been so long ago. Shimmer's products. It was one of the gold colors. Actually, it was the one of the original colors. Anyway, so this kit was full of Valentines. In fact, this is probably the most Valentine-ish looking page I think that I made because it's full of pink and red, and I like it. It's a picture of my niece and her twins, both sets. This is the second one. This is my niece, and it doesn't, to me, it doesn't look Valentine-ish. It does have hearts on it. This is Be Impossible to Forget. So that was this one where I had, you know, pieced this together. And then the third one was using this cut file, this beautiful cut file from Paige Evans that I had put all these beautiful papers behind each one of the hearts. This is Sweet Girls. Used the Vicki Boutin foundation paper and then used her art crayons to make this shadow effect behind the heart. And then the last one that I did was finally used in the 12 by 12 paper, the only 12 by 12 paper that I had pulled for this kit, and using another cut file from Paige Evans, and used some scrap papers to you know, to put behind this cut file. And that was it for pages. Now let me show you, when I say Valentine cards, I mean a lot of Valentine's Day cards. Now I've mentioned this before, I'm a hospice nurse. I have between, I don't know, 12 and 18 patients in any given week that I go see. So that means that I go to see that many different people, and it would be nice if I could give them a Valentine's Day card. I haven't given them any cards so far. I've been here in Texas, you know, on this team for 3 years, and I have yet to give them a card myself. So I'll start off with this square one. It was just, you know, something that you cut from the 12 by 12 paper, and all I did was added these little puffy hearts that have little faces on them, and all of that is flat. The rest of it's flat. Now, just like my pages, I do like my cards to have a little bit of dimension on them. So that's what I did for this one. This is the only one that's this size. The rest of these are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So here is this one. I'll just go through them quickly. I'm not too worried. See how it goes over the edge? I'm not going to put any of these in an envelope. I'm just going to hand it to them. So it's okay if it goes over the edge. This is so pretty with the flowers. That's one, it's like a Simple Stories card. And then there's this one. Pretty simple, beautiful sequins. That. And then I used the phrase stickers and made like this little block down here, and then did this balloon. It was a sticker from that sticker sheet. This one's really simple. Very, very simple. That says love on it. So tiny. Did the same thing here. I took these black words, you know, the stickers, and made a block across the center. It's a good way to use up your stuff. See those little conversation hearts? And this is the one that I had watercolored. And this is the last one. It's very different. This one doesn't have any pink in it at all. So that was it. I think there was a total of 13. I may make one or two because I don't know how many patients I'll have the week of Valentine's. So that was what I created with my kit. There is still a little bit left over. I'm going to stick it back in that Valentine box, and I'll just pull it out next year and see what's going to surprise me next year for Valentine's Day. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Give a thumbs up if you liked this. I know a lot of people like these kind of videos. Make sure you follow the other ladies that are part of this series. A very, very talented group of ladies. Alright, I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye-bye.